Stop scrolling! This is how millions of professional footballs are made, inside one of the world's most advanced factories.
Polyester reinforcement fabric is automatically aligned beneath laminated leather. Precision bonding machine presses all layers together. Every football begins with a perfectly matched set of panels. Even a tiny mistake can affect the ball's performance.
Valve seating is secure, checked. Pressure test confirms no leaks. We can sign off on this crate.
Every bladder is partially inflated air with compression. Football must bounce consistently before it can be approved.
Wow, look at all the new balls!